Good morning, students. It's your geography teacher, Himanshu Gugoi. Today is our first class, and in this class, we are going to study about the geography. What is geography, and what are the things we are going to study in class 12? Let's see what is geography. In class 11, most of you studied about the geography. And then also, today again, I am going to teach you what is geography. If you see geography, there are two words. See the meaning here in geography. In geography, this geo is there as well as graphy is also there. Geo means art and graphy means study. So study about the art is known as geography. So this geography means it studied about the art. That means physical parts of the art we have to study, like the mountains, rivers, and different kind of landscapes. All those things we have to study. At the same time, in this landscape, we peoples are staying in different parts of the world. So we have to study about the human also. So geography is means the study about the physical as well as human parts of the earth. So in physical parts, what are the things we are going to discuss? In physical geography, mainly deals with the art and its physical elements. So physical elements, what are the physical elements we will study? We have to study about the geomorphology part. Means geomorphology, it is the origin. Geo means art, morpho means it is the origin, and the logy means study. That means study about the origin of the art is known as the geomorphology. So in origin, whenever you are going to study about the geomorphology, then structure of the art we are going to study. So interior portion of the art, what are the elements are there to make the art, and we have to go back to the 13.7 billion years to formation of the art, planet and stars, all those things. So these morphological things we are studying in geomorphology. Similarly, physical parts, another physical part of the art is there, that climate. We have to study about the climate of the different parts of the world. So this part we studied in climatology. Climato means it is the climate, and the logy means study about the climate. Similarly, geography means study, so that means it's oceanography. Then means the oceans of the world we have to study in one part of geography, that is known as the oceanography. This is the physical things. Oceans are physical things. Similarly, other things are there like biological things. Biological things are there, and we are on the surface of the earth. Define biological things we are studying. So it is biogeography. And at the same time, if you see environment, your environment we are studying, that environmentology. In environmental geography, we are studying about the environment. So after that, if we go to the human part, if you see, we have to study about the human state in society, that social things we have to study. So social, rural things as well as the urban things. Urban geography is there, rural geography is there, all those things we have to study in social geography. And if you see the political boundaries of the countries of the world and the other political issues of the world, like now China is attacking India, that is the political issue because of the geography, because they need the land. Land is a part of geography. So Chinese India invasion towards the India mainly because of geography. So this is a political issue also. So these political issues, geopolitical issues, we are studying in geography. And at the same time, we are studying about the population. All over the world, population, people are living in the different parts of the world that they are concentrated in defined way. So these populations we are also studying, and they settle in defined way because of their needs. So these settlements also we are going to discuss in geography. And whenever people settle somewhere else, they are economic conditions we have to study. So this human geography deals with all those. So these are the main things we will discuss in this human geography. So strategies, some strategies are there. These strategies also we are discussing today. In this few time, this discussing. Let's see the strategies. Go through the contents. You first of all you go through the contents. Next, you find out the similar chapters. Since you are having two books, these two books having some similar chapters, you have to find out these two similar chapters. Two books similar chapters. So one is in world context, another is in Indian context. Another thing, the first understand the definitions. You have to understand the definitions and then go through use of this definition or knowledge in the world context as well as in Indian context at the same time in locality. And another thing is also there that find out the extra topic related to your chapter. And use of maps. Use of maps is an essential thing of geography. Whenever you are studying about the geography, then you have to use the maps. And in this use of maps, how do you use the maps? You have to find out the top highest populated countries, lowest populated countries, literature, all those things you will get in appendix. So you have to use the appendixes also. So complete the assignments as soon as possible. Whenever one teacher is giving you assignment, you have to complete it as soon as it possible. And then revision after listening, whenever you listen or seeing any video, and after that, just you go through it and see the chapters. Then these are the three books you are having, that human geography, then India, people and economy, and you are having one practical geography, that is practical geography class 12. These things are there. So these are things we discussed today. This enough for today. Thank you.